Hey guys, welcome, and this is how to fix disabled Wi-Fi on Android phone. So, to fix this kind of issues, what you could try to do is just simply go through the settings into your phone, and now from here, you could just simply go ahead and go through the connections once you are on the settings. Now, here you will have the Wi-Fi. So, the first solution is turn on and off to fix the issue. Now, you could also try going for another network because the problem might be the network. So try connecting to a different Wi-Fi to see if it fixes the issue. Now, if it doesn't, you could just simply go back through the settings onto your phone and just simply scroll down and have here software update. So from here, just simply select download and install. And when there is any update, you should be able to see it over here. And just make sure you are running the latest version of your software on your phone in order for you to prevent this kind of issues. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.